Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, back behind me, here it is. We have the car in the booth. I've got a lot of crap right here around the booth I need to clean up, but I'm gonna clean the floor up, spray everything down real good. I'm gonna put a chain over my rear end to ground the car so there's no static to the car. That's kind of an old trick I've heard a lot of older guys use. But the car's in here. It's all taped up. Now we just got to do some wax and grease remover. Shoot a good coat of sealer over the entire car right here, except for the door we're going to be blending on. Then we're going to be putting some base coat and some clear. And then next, all we're going to do is be shooting those bumpers back there. And then once this car is out and we get this one sold, we have a 88 Ford Mustang Fox body that we're going to be putting in this booth and tearing all down too. So stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead, start putting some paint on this thing. I'm in here in the booth. I've already waxed and grease removed my car. I've already wiped it all down. I've got a mask on. It's more than what I usually wear in the booth. But I'm going to go ahead and shoot some sealer. It's dark outside, so I'm hoping we're not going to have an issue with bugs. But if I do, I'm probably going to just shut everything down and just start back in the morning. So let's go ahead and shoot some sealer. Alright, we have our beautiful blue base coat. We're going to go ahead and lay it down and see how it turns out. Okay, I've had plenty of time for my base coat to bake on my car. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm using a clear coat, and what I'm going to be doing, I'll be putting a tack coat all over the car, and just a light more of a mist. And once that tack coat tacks off and is a little bit sticky, then I'll go over with the next coat. It'll be a lot heavier, but not by much, but it'll be heavier to where it gives it a full sheen over the car of shiny. But after that, then it's just full speed ahead. Every time about 25-30 minutes in between coats. I think you can go back after a couple hours on this and spray over it. Just check on your back here, your clear, and it'll tell you exactly how to do all that. But anyway, let's go ahead. I got some bugs, butterfly. Guess we'll find out. We're running short on battery, but hopefully there'll be enough battery to show you some shine on this car. This coat right here, this is the second coat. It's actually going to be the first actual coat after the tack coat. And this is the first coat you're actually going to see some shine to it. And hopefully you're not going to have any imperfections in your bodywork. So let's go ahead. here it is. This is the finished product so far. I've got it all shot in clear, and hopefully there won't be any bugs in it. And tomorrow it'll all be dried up. I can pull it outside and get the bumpers in here and start getting those bumpers prepped and ready. They still need some work. This is the door I blended on. I only painted about this far and then dusted over. Okay guys, well that's going to be it for this portion of this process of the build. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, comment, share, and if there's anything you've seen in this video today that you want to know questions about anything, just leave them in the comment section. I'll get right back with you. And also check out some other playlists as well. Thanks for watching.